This is the XADO automatic metal conditioner for your engine. This is the larger bottle here. This is rated up for up to 10 quarts of oil. This is a Mercedes Sprinter's diesel engine. It actually holds 14 quarts of oil, so I picked up the larger one, and I'm just very pleased with this stuff. I'm a repeat buyer of the XADO products. Used this in other vehicles before. You can just hear this motor runs very smooth. This is a high mile motor. We put a lot of miles on this. Like I said, it's a Mercedes Sprinter. It's an RV. We just use this a ton. So this stuff just coats the inside of your motor. It's got a lot of benefits, but this is it right here. Just want to make sure when you pour it in there, it's nice and like room temperature and it pours in properly. And then just keep the motor running. It just works really great. The instructions are on the box and on the back right here. Very simple to use, and it's just a really great product. Again, I'm a repeat buyer of the XADO brand. They make some really great products. And again, this is the rated up to 10 quarts. Like I said, this motor here holds 14 quarts, but this is definitely the proper product for this. Used it in the past, and I'm very happy with it. So if you're looking to protect your engine, you absolutely want to pick up the XADO Atomic Metal Conditioner, Maximum SUV.